chapter of life draws to a close. Withered, tired branches fall, decomposing into fresh seed starts. Broken bracken recedes its tentacles from a hidden door. A rusted door handle gleams new as the handle is turned. Now, with the seal broken, magic flows through the crevices of an old tarnished oak. Slowly, slowly, slowly. A step is taken. A purple-seeming flow of milky composed energy cycles like a non-ending wave crashing on the sea's shore. Fallen leaves vibrate, shimmering. A valley of sorted leaves guide down onto a moss-kissed stone. Faces speaking ancient lore. Slowly, mutters a quaint but quiet voice. Leaves bristle from the wind. A face forms, green beauty of an aged man's face. Slowly he hums, softly. Down the steps, through the overhanging shape of talking leaves, a craggy waterfall glistening with the multitudes of rainbows. Inside this watery cove, inside the fall, an echoey voice mutters, slowly.
So slippy, man.
Yeah, you did well there, you did really well.